Hey, what's up guys? Today I have an unboxing from thecubicle.us. So let's just open it up. So the first thing I see is this Moyu mat. This is the competition one because the bigger one wouldn't fit on my table and was a bit more expensive, so I just got this one. So here it is. There's a rubber band on it. I'm just gonna move the package out of the way. Here it is. It's a bit bigger than I expected it to be, but yeah. It has this braiding on the end, and it's pretty good. Yeah, now I can attach my stack mat to it right here. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is good background for my videos, so yeah, I'll just leave it right now. So the next thing in the package was this cheese squan, and the other thing is this Lubicle 5 and the bill, and the package is empty. So let's check out this cheese squan. This is my first squan, so I just got the cheapest one since I don't need that good one, so this was $4, so why not? Here's the instructions, and here's the cube. So the cube has like a matte finish. It's not very glossy, but it's not that noticeable. It's only noticeable if you're looking for it. And the red looks a lot more like a pink, and this is more of a teal. And there's a logo. So yeah, let's just do first turns. Okay, so it's very dry and fast. Yeah, I don't know any algorithms, so I'm not doing anything. But I am gonna scramble it up right now, because then I'll feel more tempted to solve it or learn how to solve it. So I'm just scrambling it. Yeah, here it is, scrambled up. So I did watch a tutorial on how to solve it, but I'll have to look at it again. And yeah, it's a pretty cool puzzle. Wow, I just did cube shape, just like that. That was pure luck. I might make a review on this if I like it a lot, but at the moment it turns pretty good. I think I'm not that good with squans because it's my first one, so yeah, I'll have to look into this. So here it is. It's the 3 ml bottle, so it just says V on it. I don't know if that's like gonna be the standard packaging. And here it is. It's green, gray, kind of. Looks a bit like DNM37. So I'm gonna test this lube out on my main 3x3. It's a bit dry right now. Could use a little bit of lube. So I'm gonna lube it with this. So I'm just gonna try it out right now. So first I'm gonna get, I don't think I have to take a piece out. Just gonna take this. 2 drops here. Two drops here. Okay. They said you should lube it with 2 drops, but I just did 4. Because why not? And let's turn it now. Okay, so it's already much faster. yeah, it's a bit smoother, but it's much faster, but it's still controllable a bit. I'm just gonna do a solve. So yeah, that broke in the lube a little bit. It's a bit more smoother. But yeah, I think I've tried the NM37 before. This makes the cube a little bit more smoother while making it faster, which I think is one of the key differences. But yeah, I really like this lube. I think I'm gonna try it on my square one too, because it was really dry. But it was already fast, so I don't know how it's gonna make it faster. One drop here. One drop here. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, it's made it a lot smoother and a tiny bit faster. But I think this is fast enough, so it's okay. I'm also gonna mix silk and stuff into this cube to make it a lot more smoother and stuff. But yeah, this lube is pretty good. Silk makes the cube a lot smoother and a bit slower, so I think mixing this will make a really smooth and medium-ish cube. But yeah, I'm gonna have to experiment with this lube. So that was it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.